Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to upload and share a video from CapCut to YouTube in just a few simple steps. First, after finishing your video editing in CapCut, go to the top right and click on Export. Here, you can give your video a title. Don't worry, you can always change it later when you upload it to YouTube. Next, choose where to save the video. Make sure it's somewhere you can easily find. For the export settings, I recommend choosing 1080p for good video quality. I don't change the bitrate or codec, and MP4 format is perfect for YouTube. For the frame rate, use 30 FPS. Once you've set everything, go ahead and click Export. It shouldn't take too long to render. Now that the video is ready, head over to YouTube in your web browser and make sure you're signed in. At the top right, click on the Create button and select Upload Video. Then, click Select Files and find the video file you just exported from CapCut. Once you select it, the upload will begin. While your video is uploading, you can fill out details like the title, description, and thumbnail. You can also add video elements if needed. Once the checks are done, go ahead and publish your video. You can choose to make it public right away, or set it to another option like private or scheduled. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded and shared your video on YouTube. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.